Dear students, I am Dr. Mahesh Hirulal, Assistant Professor, Department of Roganidhana. In this video, we are going to discuss about Vedic Shamatva and Oja. Objective of this video is to know the definition of Vedic Shamatva, different understanding of Vedic Shamatva, Oja, its types and its Vikrutis. Vedic Shamatva is explained in a different concepts with a different understanding, like Oja, Prakritika, Kapha and the Bal. So these are some different understanding we can correlate with the Vedic Shamatva. Coming to the what is this Vedic Shamatva? Nahi sarvanyapattyani tulya doshani nacha sarva दोषस्तुल्य बलाः न च सर्वाणि शरीराणि व्याधिक्षमत्वे समर्थानि भवन्ति. Here we can understand that a person who is taking same apatyas and same doshas, think that there are two persons who has had a same nidana and same dosha vishesha, but in one person there will be the manifestation of some disease, but in another person there is no disease. Why there is no disease? Because that person is having something that is called as Vedic Kshamatva. The Vedic Kshamatva can be understood with two factors, that is Vedic Kshamatvam, Vyadi Bala Viroditvam, Vyadi Utpada Pratibandakatvam iti yavat. What does this Vedic Shamatva will do? It has a two function, that is Vyadi Bala Virodha and Vyadi Utpada Pratibandha. See, Vyadi Bala Virodha means if a person is having the Vyadi, it will oppose the Vyadi Bala. It will oppose the virulence of the Vyadi is the one function, and the another one function is Vyadi Utpada Pratibandhaka. It will stop the production of disease. It will make the Pratibandha to production of a Vyadi. This is called as Vyadi Kshamatva. Coming to the Bala, Bala is also considered as the Vyadi Kshamatva. In Bala we have the three types of Bala, that is Sahaja, Kalaja and the Yuktikruta Bala. In Sahaja Bala means by Prakruta, by Swabhavika, person will be having some Bala or some Vedic Kshamatva, that is called as Sahaja Bala. Coming to the Kalaja, Kalam, Matru Vibhaga, etc. and Vayakruta. According to the Vaya, person will be having some different Vedic Kshamatva or some different Bala. Like the middle-aged person will be having good Bala compared to the Bala and Ruddhavastha. That is called as Kalaja Bala. Or it is also a Kalaja Vedic Kshamatva. Yuktikruta, here with the Ahara Vihara or the Yogajam. Means if you give the Rasayana or some medicines, then the person will develop some Bala. Then it is called as Yuktikruta Bala. Same way Vedic Kshamatva can be developed with the Ahara Vihara or by the Yogaja. Yogaja means the Vaishajas. Even Prakrutastu Balam Shleshmaha. So what is this is Bala? Prakruta Shleshma is also called as Bala, and this is the Vedic Kshamatva. Even the Oja is also considered as the Vedic Kshamatva. Why you need this, the concept of Bala or the Prakruta Kapha or the Ojas is, we are not having a much elaborative explanation of the Vedic Kshamatva. It is cross-referenced in these concepts. Coming to the another one, a very important concept called as Vikara Vigata Bhava Abhava. This is also a Vedic Kshamatva. What it will tells, Iha Kalu Nidana Dosha Dosha Visheshabhyo Vikara Vigata Bhava Abhava Prativishesha Bhavanti. So it is the meaning of this is vikara vigata bhava is abhava. Means vikara vigata bhava. Vikara means disease, vigata means which will harm it, bhava is a factor. The factor which will harm a disease, if it is absent, then there will be the disease. If it is vikara vigata bhava is present, then it is a vyadhikshamatva. Vikarana vigatasya prati bandhasya bhavo vigata bhava. Here also we can consider it as the vyadhikshamatva. What it will do if a person is having vikara vigata bhava, if it is present, or the person is having vyadhikshamatva is present, then what will happen is vikara ajananam. There will be no production of a disease, or chirena chajananam. It will occur, but it will occur very late, or anuvikara jananam. If it is also occurs, there will be the very minute virulence of a disease, or asarvalinga vikara jananam. A disease will not show all the signs and symptoms. So here we will give a small example of the COVID-19. Okay, the 80% of people will not show any disease. That means there is a vikara ajananam, or even though if it is comes with a very little virulence, with a little virulence it will occur, because the person is having the vyadhikshamatva or vikara vigata bhava. Coming to the ojas, oja is also a very important factor. Ojaha sarvadhatusaro baladishtanam miti. Oja is all the dhatusara, it is the optimum outcome of all the dhatus, and it is the source for bala. We have the two types of ojas, that is the paraoja and the aparaoja. If you see the gunas, that is the oja will be having the somatmaka, snigdha, shukla, shita, sthira, sara, etc. If you see the ojo vikara, a unique explanation is given for the ojo vikara, and it is having a 3 stages or 3 classification, like ojo visramsa, ojo vapat and ojo kshaya. Now we will see the lakshanas and what are the meaning of these ojo vikaras. First one is visramsa. Meaning of visramsa means, sramsa means which is shifted or which is displaced from its original place. That is the first stage of ojo vyapat. If it is that, then there will be the lakshanas like sandhi vishlesha, gatra sadana, doshaschavana, kriyasannirodha. Kriyasannirodha means the person's all the activity will be getting hampered step by step. Not only the persons, it may be the prakruta dosha karmas, prakruta dhatu karmas will go on hampering. Then it is called as ojo visramsa. Ojo vapat, vapat is a synonym for the roga. Here the person will show the some lakshanas like stamba, guru gatrata, vatashopa, varnabheda, glani, tandra, nidra, cha vyapanne. If ojo vapat is started, then we can see that there is a guru gatrata is there, shopa, that is in particular vadashopa is there, varna vikrutis are seen, person is having the glani, tandra, exhaustion is there, then we can think that the person is in the stage of ojo vapat. The last one is ojo kshaya, where we can very clearly we can see the lakshanas like murcha, mamsakshaya, moha, pralapa and tamarana. It is the last stage where the person will be under unconscious stage or the semi-conscious stage, that is the murcha and the moham. Pralapa, there will be the irrelevance will be there. Then mamsakshaya can be seen. So these ojokshaya, that is maybe the ojo samsa or ojo vapat or ojokshaya, will be seen at a very later stages or chronic stages or before the marana. And if we see the kshaya lakshanas, then the person is going to have the marana. It is also considered as the arishta lakshana. This is about Vaidik Shamatva. It's the different concepts and the ojas in brief. If you have any doubts, we will discuss in the interaction classes. Thank you.